Hello children, welcome back to our today's math session. I am your math teacher Megha Batra. I hope you are safe at home and studying well. So let's start our session. Class, in previous session we have learned backward counting from 50 to 1. And I am sure that you have studied and practiced well. Okay, and now you are able to write backward counting from 50 to 1. So in today's session we are going to learn backward counting from 70 to 41. It's the main topic, but after we have revised 50 to 1. So let's start. Class, in my notebook I have written 5 times tens ones. How many times I write? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then one box has to be left it between. Then again has to be left it. Then again one box leave. Similarly one box leave. Then where we leave next column blank and we will put cross sign in this column. Okay, slowly you have to put the cross sign where you leave the next column blank. So let's start counting, backward counting 50 to 1. Slowly you repeat with me. Tens below write 5, ones below write 0. You know, remember you that you have to touch the bottom line. Now 4, 9, 49. Then 4, 8, 48. Then 4, 7, 47. Below that 4, 6, 46. Below that 4, 5, 45. Then 4, 4, 44. Then 4, 3, 43. Then 4, 2, 42. Below that 4, 1, 41. Now come to the next line. On the top corner you write down 40, 40. 40, 40. Then tens below write 4, ones below write 0. Then 3, 9, 39. Below that 3, 8, 38. Then 3, 7, 37. 3, 6, 36. Before that 3, 5, 35. Below that 3, 4, 34. Below that 3, 3, 33. Then 3, 2, 32. Then 3, 1, 31. Then now come to the third line. Tens ones, they are in tens comes in first column and ones comes in second column. Tens below write 3 and ones below write 0. Then 2, 9, 29. Then 2, 8, 28. Then 2, 7, 27. Before that 2, 6, 26. Before that 2, 5, 25. Then 2, 4, 24. 2, 3, 23. Then 2, 2, 22. Then 2, 1, 21. 2, 3, 23. Then 2, 2, 22. Then 2, 1, 21. Now come to the next line. tens 1. T stand for tens and O stand for ones. Now tens below write 2 and ones below write 0. Then 2 before, what you will write? 2 before 1. 1. 1 9, 19. 20 before, what will you write? 19. Okay. Then 1 8, 18. 1 7, 17. 1 6, 16. 1 5, 15. 1 4, 14. 1 3, 13. 1 2, 12. 1 1, 11. Now come to the fifth line. Tens ones. Tens below write 1. Tens below write 1 and ones right below 0. Now class, 10, 9 to 1. They all are in single digit number, so they come in the place of ones. Okay. Now I show you one example. Slowly you have to repeat with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. They all are in single digit number, but 10 is double digit number, so they come in the place of tens and ones. But 9 to 1, they all are single digit number, so they come in the place of ones. Now students, we have revised 50 to 1, which we have already done in previous class. Today we will learn 70 to 61 with the help of this activity. I show you only one line with the help of this activity, which is very interesting. Okay children? Children, you know what we will use in this activity? Okay, I will tell you. Now, I will tell what you see on the station. What you see on the station? Tell me. Okay, I tell you. Yes, student. That is a train. That is a train. That is a train. Slowly count with me. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Now it is a forward counting, but we have learned backward counting 70 to 41. But I give you one example, only one line. I give you one example, 70 to 61. Slowly repeat with me. 70 70, 69 69, 68 68, 67 67, 66 66, 65 65, 64 64, 63 63, 62 62, 61 61. When we go greater to smaller number, it is called backward counting. Backward counting. What is the another name of the backward counting? Reverse counting. Let's see, these are numbers. These are numbers. 70, 69, 69, 68, 68, 67, 67, 66, 66, 65, 65, 64, 64, 63, 63, 62, 62, 61, 61. Children, I hope you have understood backward counting through the help of this train activity. Now we will write tens ones. In first column you write down T. T means tens. T stand for tens. O stand for ones. Then one box has to be left it. Then write tens ones. T stand for tens. O stand for ones. Then again one box leave tens. T stand for tens. O stand for ones. Now I have 3 tens ones I have written in my notebook. So where we will leave next columns blank, we will put cross sign in this column. Okay, now we will start counting. Backward counting. Slowly you have to write, touch the bottom line, remember that. Tens, T below write 7. Ones below write 0. Then 69, 69, 69. 68, 68. 67, 67. 66, 66. Below that 65, 65. 64, 64. 63, 63. Below that 62, 62. Then 61, 61. Now come to the next line. Tens ones. T below write. Tens below write 60, 60. Okay. In ones column write, below write 0. Then 59, 59, 59. 58, 58. Then 57, 57. Below that 5, 6, 56. Slowly you have to write down. 5, 5, 55. 5, 4, 54. 5, 3, 53. 5, 2, 52. 5, 1, 51. Now come to the third line. Tens ones. Tens below write 5. Ones below write 0. then 49, 4 9 49, 4 8 48, 4 7 47, below that 4 6 46, 4 6 46, then 4 5 45, then 4 4 44, then write 4 3 43, repeat 4 3 43, then 4 2 42, then 4 1 41. I hope you have done your work with the help of parents and me neatly and correctly. I will give you star or smiley if you do your work very neatly according to your work in your copy. So students, come to the next page. Write down homework as classwork. On the left hand side, write down date D A T E 18th 1818 dot May dot 2020. On the right hand side, write down C dot W. In the middle, write down in the capital letters, you have to write down backward counting. Write down B, slowly A C K W A R D, backward counting. C O U N T I N G, backward counting. Below in the bracket, you write down 70 to 41. 7070 dash 41. Below, write down, respected parents, when you sit with your kid and ask them to repeat the number 2 so that it will improve their oral skills too. Thank you, parents. Stay home, stay safe.